Welcome to the future of artificial intelligence, where machines can create, innovate, and transform industries. This is generative AI. Generative AI is a type of AI that can generate new, original content, such as images, music, text, and even videos. It's like having a creative partner that can help you imagine and bring new ideas to life. From healthcare to finance, art to education, generative AI is transforming industries and revolutionizing the way we work and live. In this video series, we'll explore the foundations, techniques, and applications of generative AI. We'll delve into real world use cases, ethical considerations, and the future of this exciting technology. Join us on this journey into the world of generative AI. Subscribe to our channel and watch the next video to learn more.